Hello traders, welcome to this video on the euro dollar and pound dollar. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. We're going to take a look at the first couple of days here in the new week. Before we look at the markets, I wanted to let you know that my new ecs.SWAT course 2.0 is ready. So if you're interested in trading moving averages, fibs, fractals, and understanding price swings in a deeper level, then SWAT might be for you. It's split in two sections. We have an educational part and then a part fully focused on SWAT indicators and SWAT strategies. All right, let's take a look now at the euro dollar. So we had kind of a double bottom. Now I was, if I remember correctly, saying that this is looking like a rising wedge here, and we might see a retracement down below, but that price should find some support around 108.50, and that could be a place where buyers step in, and we could see a bounce back up. So far that has happened, but the bounce up has been mild. We haven't seen price able to break through the 21 EMA. So now at this moment, because of that, we're not still sure if this is bullish or bearish. So what I would say is at this moment, if price is going to turn back down, if the HMA 20 turns bearish again, I think we're going to see a rebreak here, or a continuation, I should say, and we should see some downside pressure down to WIS 7 and the previous bottom here, and probably below that. In fact, if price can go broke. If price can break below WIS 7, I think we're basically heading towards WIS 8. Now, don't look at those figures. Those are incorrect. WIS 7 is at 107. WIS 8 is at 105.60. And we could be heading lower, because in that case, this was a flag, momentum flag, and we should see a continuation. Now, that said, we didn't break below the 107.5, 108 support zone. We have a double bottom here, and this bottom is intact. So we are having higher lows. So I think if price is able to break above the top of the 21 EMA zone plus the 144 EMA, this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a leading diagonal for wave 1. This is an ABC back to wave 2, for instance, back to the 78.6 fib for wave 2. So if it is able to break above this resistance zone here around 110, no, it's a little bit lower, excuse me, it's around 109. 109.30, then I think we might be looking at a potential wave 3, and we might be looking at some bullish momentum that could take price back up again. So in that case, if we do get that push up and we see a flag after that, we could see a continuation breakout to the upside. So in that case, this could be an A, this could be a wave B, and this could be a wave C up in here. So that is likely if price is able to push above, I think, this resistance zone here. In that case, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a leading diagonal, and an ABC down, wave 1, wave 2, and up we go. However, if price is unable to push above this area, and it kind of goes sideways like this, and it makes like a kind of like a bear flag, and then starts to break below that, then the HMA flips down, well, then I think we're looking at too much downside pressure. The moving averages are aligned to the downside, and we do see a lot of momentum here. So in that case, it looks like a bearish pattern, and we should see a continuation lower like this. All right. Regarding the pound USD, we were looking at a potential wave 5 here, and that did push further. As you can see, we had a ABC kind of for a bull flag here with strong momentum up prior to that. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, this looks like a wave 5. Now, is that wave 5 finished? Let's take a look at the hourly chart. 1 second, and let's take a look at that. So we had a push up, a correction, and a strong push up here. And price is still above the top of wave 1, just barely, but it is. And if we put a fib from here to here on this wave 3, it's at the 61.8 fib. So that's quite a deep retracement. But it could, I guess, still be part of a wave 4. It's maybe not as likely, but it's still possible that this was an A, B, C pattern, and that completed wave 4. If that is the case, price is going to have to break above this resistance tops right in here, as you can see, and 125-ish, 125.25-ish. If price breaks above that, then we could be looking at a continuation of that wave 5. Wave 4, 5 of 5, basically, in that case. And there's a good chance of a new high at 127, 127.50. So that could be an interesting breakout zone, maybe a break, pullback continuation like that. If it fails and it goes down again, watch out for a triple bottom, I would say at 124. But of course, if it does break through 124, 123.84, then it's probably not a wave 4 anymore. and in that case, look for, I would be looking for a bear flag in any case, and a continuation lower. It probably will still respect the 61.8 fib here at around 123.50, and if it does make a bear flag, that would be quite ideal for a continuation trade down to 122.75, 122.50 in my view. So yeah, that's my 2 cents at least for the moment. Once again, yeah, if you're curious about knowing more about SWAT, I would say check out the new announcements coming soon about SWAT 2.0. There are 22 hours of recordings, 74 videos, new SWAT indicators and strategies as well. So, and of course, current members will get an email soon indicating that all of that is ready in the members area. In any case, wish you great trading, and see you probably on Wednesday with a new video. Cheers, bye-bye.